Well, if you want to open a shop, you need to have a local license from local authorities. Other activities need different authorization. It takes basically from 1 to 3 months to have all the papers ready. And I cannot say about the cost because it depends on every single activity. What I need to point is that Europe is really and very careful about some topics like health, like insurance, like discrimination, like data protection or civil rights of the people and profiling online. We have laws for GDPR, data protection law about privacy. Artificial intelligence is now limited by another European regulation. It's something we can talk every single step, but no limits. And remember, when you open a business in Italy, it's like to have it all around Europe. And it's the gateway to many other countries. Remember also Switzerland, remember UK that is not in Europe but is still very close and connected, and many other countries are already on the process to apply for European Union. It's a good wide market.